Sometimes standard roof components just don't fit the design. In this case, we have two hip roofs, and we need a pass-through that's covered, a connector between the two hip roofs. The cross connector is drawn in a similar fashion to other roof components. Click the left mouse button to start, and open up a rectangle to define the size of the roof connector. Those triangles show the intersection between the roof surfaces. Just click the right roof pitch to make the connector and roofs match. Drag the corner points to adjust the size and shape of the roof connector. We'll adjust our view so you can get a good look at that. And there are other even more complicated roofs that can't be created with the basic roof components. The 4-point roof tool allows you to select or click on an existing wall. Drag the cursor out to set the length or the span of that roof panel. You can adjust those points to define whether the points we picked are at the base or the peak of the roof. You can change the pitch angle as well. The width is defined by the length of the wall that you selected. And the same is true for this 3-point wall component as well. The Freeform Roof Panel allows you to click your left mouse button to set points and define the shape of the roof panel. And like in other cases, you can select individual points. Move them with your mouse and cursor, or nudge them with the arrow keys on your keyboard. The arrow at the center shows the direction of the pitch. You can drag the arrow around, and that will actually change the direction of the roof slope based on the direction of the arrow. Again, you can change the elevation to the peak or base as placed. And you can change the pitch at any time as well.